Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to reclaim your youthful energy, boost your confidence, and truly revitalize your mornings, you are in the absolute right place. Today we're diving deep into a topic that can genuinely transform your life, especially if you're a man over 60. But before we jump into these life-changing insights, do me a huge favor. If you find this information valuable, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our powerful health tips. And as we go through today's topic, I want to hear from you. What are your current breakfast habits? What's one food you're excited to try? Drop a comment below. Let's talk about breakfast. Most of us think of it as just the first meal of the day, something to get us going. But for men over 60, your breakfast choices have a far more profound impact than you might realize, especially on something incredibly vital, pelvic circulation. You see, many men unknowingly fall into what I call the breakfast trap. They consume foods that, rather than nourishing and supporting their bodies, actually restrict blood flow, particularly to the pelvic area. This isn't just about general energy. We're talking about the very core of your masculine vitality, your confidence, and your independence. Over time, these seemingly innocent breakfast choices can lead to sluggish circulation, impacting everything from energy levels to, yes, even erectile function. It's a silent, subtle drain on your system that compounds day after day. But here's the good news. Just as certain foods can hinder you, others can powerfully support and revitalize you. We're about to uncover 5 specific, simple, and delicious foods that can significantly improve blood flow, strengthen crucial pelvic muscle tissue, and naturally boost your confidence, all without any side effects. These aren't obscure ingredients. They're readily available and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Are you ready to discover these game changers? Let's dive into the first one. 1. The incredible whole egg, more than just protein. First up, the humble yet mighty whole egg. Now, for years, eggs got a bad rap, mostly due to outdated cholesterol concerns. But we now know that whole eggs are nutritional powerhouses, especially for men's health. We're talking about the entire egg, yolk and all. Why are they so crucial? Whole eggs are incredibly rich in a spectrum of essential nutrients that directly support your circulatory system and muscle health. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in cardiovascular health and testosterone production. Many men are deficient, and eggs offer a fantastic dietary source. Vitamin B12, essential for nerve function and red blood cell formation, ensuring oxygen-rich blood reaches every part of your body, including the pelvic region. Choline. This often overlooked nutrient is vital for brain health, muscle control, and even liver function. It's a building block for acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that helps send signals to your muscles, including those important pelvic floor muscles. Leucine. This is a key amino acid, a building block of protein, that's particularly effective at signaling muscle protein synthesis. What does that mean for you? It helps restore blood flow and repair pelvic floor muscle tissue. These are the very muscles responsible for urinary control and, yes, maintaining strong erections. I've seen firsthand the incredible impact of this simple addition. I had a patient, Richard, who was struggling with declining vitality and poor circulation. We started him on a simple regimen, 2 whole eggs for breakfast every single day. Within weeks, he reported a significant improvement in his energy levels, and, more importantly, a noticeable boost in his confidence and performance. It was a small change with a massive ripple effect. Forget the egg white omelet. Embrace the whole egg for maximum benefit. Next on our list is a breakfast staple, elevated, oatmeal, supercharged with chia seeds. This combination is a circulatory dream team. Oatmeal. The magic in oatmeal comes from a soluble fiber called beta-glucan. Think of beta-glucan as a gentle scrub brush for your arteries. As it moves through your digestive system, it actively helps to clean cholesterol and plaque from your artery walls. Cleaner arteries means smoother, unrestricted blood flow, precisely what we want for optimal pelvic circulation. Chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses might be small, but they pack an enormous punch. They are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. These are potent anti-inflammatory agents that help reduce systemic inflammation, which can otherwise constrict blood vessels. Omega-3s also contribute to overall heart health. Magnesium, a critical mineral that helps relax blood vessels, preventing constriction and allowing for better blood flow. It's also involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. Potassium works in tandem with magnesium to maintain healthy blood pressure and fluid balance, both essential for efficient circulation. Imagine starting your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal, knowing that you're actively cleaning your arteries and relaxing your blood vessels with every bite. It's a simple, comforting meal that delivers powerful therapeutic benefits. This one might surprise you. Watermelon. Yes, this juicy summer fruit is not just refreshing, it's a potent ally for your circulation, especially for men. The key compound in watermelon is called L-citrulline. Here's where it gets really interesting. Once L-citrulline enters your body, it's converted into L-arginine, which then boosts the production of nitric oxide. Why is nitric oxide so important? Nitric oxide is a powerful vasodilator. It tells your blood vessels to relax and open up, allowing for significantly increased blood flow. This is precisely how many common erectile dysfunction medications work, by increasing nitric oxide availability. Watermelon offers a natural way to achieve a similar beneficial effect. And here's a pro tip: don't throw away the white rind. While the red flesh is fantastic, the white part of the rind contains an even higher concentration of L-citrulline. Blend a piece into a smoothie or juice for an extra potent boost. It's a delicious and surprisingly effective way to support your body's natural circulatory processes. Moving on, we have a wonderfully grounding and energizing breakfast component: steamed sweet potato seasoned with Celtic salt. Sweet potatoes. These are not just tasty, they're a fantastic source of clean, sustained energy. Unlike refined carbohydrates that cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates that release glucose slowly, giving your muscles a steady supply of fuel. This consistent energy is crucial for overall vitality and muscle function, including those important pelvic muscles. Celtic salt. Now, this is where many people get confused. We're often told to avoid salt, but not all salts are created equal. Unlike highly processed table salt, Celtic salt is an unrefined sea salt that is packed with essential trace minerals. These minerals are vital for regulating nerve impulses. Proper nerve function is crucial for muscle contraction and sensation, including in the pelvic region. Maintaining healthy blood pressure. The balanced mineral profile helps support cardiovascular health, aiding muscle contractions and overall circulation. These minerals act as electrolytes, facilitating countless bodily functions that depend on electrical signals. A simple steamed sweet potato, perhaps mashed or cubed, with a sprinkle of high-quality Celtic salt, provides not just energy, but also the foundational mineral support your body needs for optimal circulation and muscular performance. Now, I know what you might be thinking, Doctor. Stacy, that's a lot of information. Where do I even begin? The most important thing is to take action, starting today. Don't feel pressured to overhaul your entire diet overnight. The key is consistency and starting somewhere. My challenge to you is this: pick just one of these foods, the one that resonates most with you, or the one that's easiest to incorporate, and commit to adding it to your morning routine for the next week. Whether it's 2 whole eggs, a bowl of oatmeal, or a slice of watermelon, just start somewhere. The power of compounding small positive changes is truly remarkable. Remember, what you consume in that first hour after waking sets the tone for your entire day. It directly impacts your circulation, your energy levels, your confidence, and ultimately, your independence. You have the power to make a profound difference in your vitality, regardless of your age. It is never too late to improve your health and reclaim your youthful vigor. Thank you so much for joining me today. I truly hope this information empowers you to make positive changes in your life. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset, and these simple dietary adjustments can lead to incredible improvements in your daily life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with a friend or family member who could benefit. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next empowering video. And please, tell me in the comments below, which of these foods are you most excited to try first? I'm looking forward to reading your responses and supporting you on your journey to optimal health. Until next time, stay healthy, stay confident, and keep thriving.